Hello everyone, in this video we will cover diffraction of light. So let's start. Light travels in a straight line. However, when light passes through a small hole, spreading of light is seen. This phenomena of spreading of light is called as diffraction. So now let's see that for diffraction of light an experiment was done. So in this we have taken a source of light, and from this source of light we have taken a thing. This is an object and this is another object, and in this there is a gap in between these objects, and this is the edge of the object and this is the edge of this object. So what we will see that from our thinking, the light ray will go like this in straight line, and if this is a mirror it will reflect. But in this, according to this theory, it is not possible. If the light ray are coming like this, so they would collide with this edge and would go in this direction and would go in this direction. This was according to this theory. So when light passes through small regions, light spreads. This is called as diffraction of light. Means spreading of light. Spreading of light is called as diffraction of light. So now let's see what regions are formed. In interference we have seen that in somewhere bright fringes were forming and in some regions dark fringes were forming. But in this we will see that this is our source and in this light waves are coming. In this we will see that here there will be central bright, means it will be the width of this bright fringe, the width of the center bright fringe will be very big, and after this then dark fringe, then bright fringe, and the width of the bright fringe will become small, because in this light waves are maximum in this, the intensity of light waves is very maximum in this. But after some time, when the light waves are going like this, the intensity of light gets minimum, and then that's why the brightness decreases, then finally it decreases. And in this also we will see that the whole thing will also happen in this. In some, the bright fringe, the width of the bright fringe would decrease and then it would decrease. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.